This is the fourth year that we are conducting this education fair, and the second time in this year. Actually, the response from the students is tremendous in these 2 days. Actually, last time also, but today I think from the morning itself we have more than 2,000 people walked in. So this is mainly because the students are very confused. Even after the intermediate results, they are not able to judge what they want to take, which branch they want to take, and how to select a college, how to select a branch, and people are confusing. So the seminars what we are conducting with the professional professors is helping them. So more people have turned up. More than 700,000 people attended this seminar in the morning session. And evening we have a branch-wise seminar, so the student can have their doubts clarified in this in the afternoon session also. And the stalls, as far as the stalls are concerned, we have more than 40 stalls. 40 colleges are participating, are displayed their stalls here. So students can select and they visit all the stalls and select whichever college it suits them. The management, they are very friendly with Sakshi from the beginning, because the Sakshi, the Bhavita, the feature which we have is having a very tremendous response among the student community, education community in sense. So all the colleges they are very familiar with the Sakshi Bhavita feature and Sakshi Bhavita education fair. So they are very happy. Even in the morning session, more than 2,500 students have come till now. So that they are very busy in attending the students there. So they are also very happy that they got the gurus, that they can explain the facilities and what are the facilities available in the college. Definitely, because the colleges who have participated in the first year or result, they are coming, they are inquiring with us for the when we are conducting the second fair and third fair and all that. Even now today, some of the colleges are proposing to have fair next week also, before counseling. Actually, the counseling which is supposed to happen on 15th of this month has been postponed to 25th. So they are asking some of the colleges, why don't you conduct another fair? Because we have to see, but it is very difficult to conduct it. Yeah, from the beginning, Sakshi is very strong in education. So the students are asking us, even they are contacting us to how to guide, just to guide them. So because of that only we are arranging this education fair. Just this is only to educate the student, and just they want to have a clarity. See, in actually especially this year, all the students are getting confused. This physics exam itself is a very this thing, because it was conducted 2 times, and the students are eagerly waiting. But actually the engineering courses in all other states have already started. It was delayed by 2-3 months here. So people are we want to educate them, we want to guide them properly how to go about.